science programmer here at the Palmerston Library. But in my free time, did you know I'm an Inspiration Lab technician? Here at Inspiration Lab, we take a closer look at the world. We add in just a little bit of magic. Today in Inspiration Lab, we are going to create a lemon volcano. This experiment uses the lemon's natural citric acid and baking soda to create a fun foaming volcano. But don't worry, this lava is not dangerous. The supplies needed for this experiment are a lemon, a spoon, baking soda, food coloring or watercolors, and dish soap. So step 1, get an adult to cut off the bottom of the lemon. This will allow the lemon to stand upright. Then core the opposite end by cutting out a cone shape. Next, we are going to use the top of our spoon to press down into our lemon. This is going to create more liquid inside the lemon, which we're going to need for our chemical reaction. Now, we do recommend doing this next part either on a tray or something that can be easily cleaned up. Choose your favorite color of food coloring. I'm using red as it creates the most vibrant reaction. Now, squeeze a few drops of your food coloring into the lemon. Add in a good squeeze of dish soap. We're going to say a good squeeze is about a tablespoon of dish soap. Once that's added to your lemon, give it all a good stir to combine all of our ingredients. Scoop out a teaspoon of baking soda and stir it into your lemon. And wait for the reaction. If you want to extend the reaction, add in some more dish soap, baking soda, and lemon juice. If you don't have any spare lemon juice, using a teaspoon of vinegar will do as well. Thank you for joining us in making our lemon volcano. Visit our website for more science-related resources.